Jason Browning sat in today as my casualty. He's come straight from the top of the tower in front of the car. So if we get called with an RTC, we'll go in the crew of 5 on the water ladder, and I'll try and talk you through with what's going on. And here they come. And these guys, Chepstow Extrication Team, they've taken part in the regional, and these guys are going up there. South Wales are home to the current world champions based in Bridgend, and the Chepstow guys. Helmet with 2 black stripes, crew manager Peter Kane, and then we've got 3 firefighters, Luke Morrissey, Dan Greenall and Lewis Randall. Jason's running the whole instant. He's come in, he's looked around, he's done his scene assessment to find out what's gone on, what's happened to the car, if it's rolled, how it's landed, if it's impacted with anything, and they're looking to get some information from the casualty to find out how he ended up crashing his car. All working as a team under Jason's guidance there. This may have failed, okay, other car defects due to the crash. So they've just put some blocks and chocks there to stabilise the car from any further movement. On the driver's side they're putting, looks like cling film, it's called Pac-X, that goes on. So when they break the glass doesn't go all over the floor and make a mess. Just for the children near the car there might be some bumping and banging, okay, don't be afraid, it's all okay, it's all good. So the first thing they're going to do is go in the shut line of the door and pop that door open, get it open, remove it, get it out of the way. We got one of the guys just going around now, checking all the chocks and blocks, making sure the vehicle remains nice and stable. There is lots of bumping and banging, okay, lots of movement of the car there as they're attacking it with the hydraulic spreaders. Everything's been brought back to the same point, so there's no trip hazards, keeping it nice, safe, sterile environment. Jobs outside of the service, that may be a whole-time firefighter, some of them work locally, factories, electricians, local tradesmen as well. So we've got a variety of skills today. They just go around checking the blocks and chocks again. The car, we've got loads and loads of access. We can get in there now, have a good head-to-toe survey, find out exactly what's happening. And when we get a chance, we'll check in with Jason now and we'll see what he's going to do in terms of extrication. My wife's going to kill me, I've got to drive home later. I'm going to go. He's putting some protection inside to stop the glass. He's there shouting, breaking glass, because that's what he's doing. And he just pulled the glass out. No, we won't see that held up in one piece. We are currently, we can just go chop it anywhere. In the front of the truck we got a computer screen in there, it's called the crash recovery system. We can put in the make, model of the vehicle and it will give us a diagram.
We're making space into the vehicle now, maximum space by snapping the seats down and then remove off the casualty on the board and out of the vehicle.
We got 2 of the crew working inside with the seats with the spreaders, so they're going to push the seats down or unbolt them or remove them. And on the driver's side at the rear now, we got one of the guys there with the big hydraulic cutters, and he's cutting through the roof posts, okay? Not so many yet. Just behind that big yellow lorry, there's the firefighters' charity stall there. Loads of toys, okay? So get mum and dad on the way out. If they said there's nothing to buy today, they're lying, okay? Go over there, there's loads of toys and things you can buy, alright? Honestly. Mum and dad's wallets, empty. Okay, roof's off now. We've got lots and lots of sharp bits of metal on there. Okay, we've got the edge of the windscreen there.